Hello guys, let us discuss this question. See, all I1 2018 question online paper. I1, I2, I3 integral 0 to 1. So when x lies between 0 and 1, whenever x lies between 0 and 1, x cube is less than x square and less than x. Obviously minus x cube is greater than minus x square greater than minus x. That is, if I multiply minus, inequality will change. E power minus x cube is greater than e power minus x square is greater than e power minus x. Okay, we know that cos square lies between 0 and 0 and 1, so it's a positive quantity only. So e power minus x cube is greater than cos square x. E power minus x cube is obviously e power minus x square into cos square. Okay, because cos square lies between 0 and 1, greater than e power minus x into cos square. Okay, I repeat myself, cos square is a number which lies between 0 and 1. So still e power minus x cube will be greater than e power minus x square into cos square. So 0 to 1, e to the power of minus x cube dx, okay, is greater than 0 to 1, e power minus x square into cos square. Okay, and then this is greater than integration 0 to 1, e power minus x into cos square x dx. So from this I can write I3, okay, is greater than I2 is greater than I1. Okay, that's the last option D. This is I3. This is I3. Okay, so answer is option D. Let's move to the next question, guys. 2020 paper question, integer type question. Okay, it's a fill in the blanks. So what I'll do is I'm going to write, see, box 3x should be an integer. You need to write all the integral points. 3x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, something like, if I take like this, x is equal to 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, okay, and then you get 1, then you get 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, okay, so this is 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, and then you get 2. Okay, then you get 2. So between this 1 and 2, obviously x lies, these are the values 4 by 5 and 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. So if I write all the integral points between them, I should write this as 1 to 4 by 3. Okay, so this is 1 to 4 by 3. Modulus of 2x minus box of 3x dx. Box of 3x dx plus integration of 4 by 3 to 5 by 3. 4 by 3 to 5 by 3. Modulus of 2x minus box of 3x. Box of 3x. Okay, and then plus integration of 5 by 3 to 2. 5 by 3 to 2, modulus of 2x minus box of 3x. So this is modulus of 2x minus box of 3x, and then you get a mod here and then dx. Okay, now let us check, guys, what's some box value there. Okay, now this is equal to integration of 1 to 4 by 3. Okay, and then you get modulus of 2 minus between 1 and 4 by 3. If I substitute the lower limit, box of 3 is 3 only. Okay, and then plus between 4 by 3, include lower limit, exclude upper limit in box. Okay, so this is 4 by 3 and then this is 5 by 3. So this is equal to modulus of 2 minus, if you substitute 3 the lower limit, you get 4. Box of 4 will be equal to 4 plus integration of 5 by 3, and then this is 2, modulus of 2x minus 5 and then dx. Now let us check the mod value. This is 1 to 4 by 3. Okay, if I substitute 1, 2 minus 3 will be negative, so mod x negative, so this is 2x minus 3. Okay, again this is equal to integration of 4 by 3, this is 5 by 3. Okay, and then modulus of If I substitute 8 by 3 minus 4 will be negative, so you get minus of, okay, so this is equal to minus of 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4 and then dx. Okay, and then between 5 by 3 and 2, between 5 by 3 and 2, obviously this will be negative. 10 by 5 minus 5 will be negative. So this is integration of 5 by 3 to 2, and then you get this as minus of 2x minus 5. Okay, and then dx. I take minus outside. This is equal to integration of lower limit is 1, upper limit 4 by 3. 4 by 3, and then this is 2x minus 3 dx, bracket 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, 2 is a constant, I'm going to take out. So this is minus 2. Okay, integration of lower limit is 4 by 3. Upper limit is 5 by 3. You take 2 outside. You get this as x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2, and then this is dx. So I take minus outside. Integration of this is 2x minus 5. Okay, and then this is 5 by 3 to 2. 5 by 3 to 2, and then this is dx. Now integration of x is x square by 2. So this is 2x minus 3 the whole square. Okay, upon 2. Coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Between the limits 1 and 4 by 3. Okay, minus 2 times integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, between the limits 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. Minus integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Okay, let me take this bracket, otherwise it looks 22. Okay, between the limits 5 by 3 to 2. So this is minus 1 upon 4. Upper limit, if I substitute, you get 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 minus 3 the whole square. Upper limit minus lower limit, 2 minus 3 the whole square is 1. Okay, and then 2 will cancel with 2. Upper limit is 5 by 3 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit is 4 by 3 minus 2 the whole square. Minus 1 upon 4. Okay, minus 1 by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this is minus 4, minus 1 by 4. Upper limit is 4 minus 5 the whole square 1. Lower limit is 10 by 3 minus 5 the whole square. Okay, so you get 10 by 3 minus 5 the whole square. So this is minus 1 upon 4. Okay, if I simplify this, you get 1 by 9 minus 1. Okay, minus of cross multiply, you get 1 by 9. Okay, minus 1 by 9. This is 1 upon 9. Minus with if I cross multiply 4 by 9. Okay, minus 1 upon 4. So let me close this bracket. Yes, this minus 1 by 4. Upper minus lower, again this is upper minus lower, minus 1 upon 4. Upper minus lower will be equal to 1 minus. Cross multiply, you get 15, so 25 by 9. Okay, so this equal to minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Okay, if you cross multiply, you get minus 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9, this is minus 3 by 9. Minus 3 by 9, minus 1 by 4. Okay, if you cross multiply, you get minus 16 by 9. Minus 16 by 9. So this is 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3, or I can take 3 by 9. Okay, so plus this is 4 by 9. You get 9 by 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9 by 9. So answer will be equal to 1. Okay, so here the answer should be equal to plus 1. Question number 78. See, 0 to 2, mod of x minus 1, obviously you get a sharp edge admon, right? I can write 0 to 1, there's a mod, inside mod you get mod of x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and then minus 1 and then mod. Mod of x minus 1 minus x. Okay, so this is minus x, and then you get the mod. Plus integration 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Modulus of x minus 1, okay, minus x, and then there's a mod, okay, and then dx. Between 0 and 1, this will be negative, so you get minus of x minus 1, okay, and then minus x dx, plus integration of 1 to 2. Between 1 and 2, this will be positive, so this is x minus 1 minus x, okay, and then dx. Obviously this will get cancelled. Now this equal to integration 0 to 1 and mod. If you open the bracket, this will be equal to 1 minus 2x. Yes, open the bracket and simplify, you get 1 minus 2x, plus integration 1 to 2, mod of minus is plus, you get only dx. Now between 0 to 1 can be written as 0 to half, because 1 minus 2x you get a sharp edge at half. Mod of 1 minus 2x dx, okay, plus integration of, this is half to 1, modulus of 1 minus 2x, okay, and then integration of dx is x between the limits 1 to 2. Alright, now let us simplify this. So this equal to integration of 0 to half. Between 0 and half, this will be negative, so this is minus of 1 minus 2x, okay, and then plus between half and 1, this will be between 0 and half. If I substitute 0, sorry, between 0 and half, this will be positive, guys. If you substitute lower limit, you get 1 minus 2x only now, so this will be positive, okay, so you get 1 minus 2x, this will be positive, okay, and then this will be negative. Between half and 1, this will be negative, you get minus of 1 minus 2x, okay, minus of 1 minus 2x dx, 2x dx, and then here upper limit minus lower limit will be 1 only, okay. Now this will be equal to integration of x is x square by 2, integration of x is x square by 2, coefficient of x is minus 2, divide by minus 2, between the limit 0 to half, okay. Here also integration of x is x square by 2, coefficient of x is minus 2, divide by minus 2, between the limits half to 1, okay, and then this is plus 1, this is minus 1 upon 4, okay. Upper limit if I substitute, this will be 0, lower limit will be 1, minus and minus is plus, you get 1 upon 4, okay. Upper limit if I substitute, you get 1, lower limit will be 0 plus 1, so this will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 will be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, okay. So answer is 3 by 2, or I can write 1.5, so this is 1.5, or you can write 3 by 2, okay. Alright guys, let's move to the next question. 1 minus x square, I'll put x is equal to sin theta, we all know this, okay. X is equal to sin theta, dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Now let us change the limits as well. When x is equal to 0, theta will be equal to 0, and when x is equal to half, theta is equal to pi by 6, okay. So limit is 0 to pi by 6, here the limit is 0 to pi upon 6, okay. This is sin square theta, divided by, this is 1 minus sin square, okay, whole to the power of 3 by 2, and dx will be equal to cos theta d theta. Now integration 0 to pi by 6, this is sin square, 1 minus sin square is cos square, okay, whole to the power of 3 by 2, into cos theta d theta. 2 and 2 cancels, cos cube by cos square, cos cube will be equal to cos square, so this becomes 0 to pi by 6 sin square, okay, upon cos square, and then d theta, so sin by cos tan, right, so this is 0 to pi by 6, okay. You get integration of 0 to pi by 6, and then you get tan square theta d theta. Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1, so this is sec square theta minus 1, and then d theta. So sec square is tan, integration of sec square is tan between the limit 0 to pi by 6, and d theta is theta between the limit 0 to pi by 6. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Yes, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 0 will be 0. Okay, and then this is minus pi by 6, upper limit minus lower limit. So now the question is, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3 minus pi by 6. Okay, is equal to k by 6. I am supposed to find the value of k. So this is k upon 6. Okay, so this is k by 6. Now if I multiply by 6 throughout, or you take LCM 6, both are same. If I multiply by 6 throughout, you will get 6 by root 3 minus pi. Okay, is equal to k. So this k is equal to 2 into root 3 minus pi. That's the answer, guys. 2 root 3 minus pi is the answer. That's the first option. Okay, question number 80. Mod is always an even number, right? So minus pi to even function, minus mod is an even function, minus pi to plus pi can be written as 2 times 0 to pi. And then you get this is modulus of pi minus mod x dx. Okay, having said this, between 0 and pi mod will be positive. So this will be equal to 0 to pi modulus of pi minus x dx. Okay, so this is pi minus x and then dx. Now between 0 and pi, obviously this will be positive. So this is pi minus x dx. Okay, if you open the bracket, this is equal to 2 pi. Okay, integration 0 to pi and then dx minus 2 times integral 0 to pi and then x dx. Okay, so this is equal to 2 pi. Integration of dx is x between the limits 0 to pi. Integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to pi. Okay, this will cancel. 2 pi, upper limit minus lower limit is pi only. Okay, and then this is pi square. Right now, sorry, this is only pi square. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 pi square minus pi square. Okay, will be equal to pi square. Alright, answer is option A. Thanks for watching, guys.